In this video, I wanted to show you how to create a TikTok account from scratch. Now, if you have a Musical.ly or a TikTok account from before, this is basically the same thing. TikTok and Musical.ly merged to make one app. So they basically rebranded and made both of those into one app. And I'm gonna show you how to create an account in that app. So on an iOS device or on Android, go ahead and download the app. So in this case, I'm gonna jump into the App Store and I'm gonna look for TikTok on my search. And I'm gonna look for this icon here, TikTok, including Musical.ly. If I click that, this is the combined app. So this is the one I wanna get. Again, if you have Musical.ly before, it's gonna look like this now. I'm gonna go ahead and press get. You have to be 12 years or older to get this app. Go ahead and just download it to your device. Go ahead and open the app. Now I just have to swipe up to start my feed here. I'm gonna agree to the term of use and privacy policy. And now to create an account, I want to go down here and click the profile icon on the bottom. And if I click that, it's going to ask me to sign up with phone or email, or I could use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Google to sign up. And if I already have an account, I could log in. So if you have a Musical.ly account, try logging in. If that doesn't work, try changing your password. But let's go ahead and sign up for the very first time. Go ahead and enter your birthday. Remember, you have to be 12 years or older. And now you need a phone number or email because that's what I chose to use. If you used Facebook or if you logged in, that's a different process. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it with my phone number. And now I'm gonna get a code. I'll have to type in the code since I use my phone number. And now I have to set my password. So go ahead and set your password for the very first time. And now my profile is complete. So if I tap to profile one more time, it's gonna take me to my new profile. So what I wanna do is I wanna click edit profile here for the first time. And I want to change my username. And the username is a unique identity that TikTok uses, and you could only change it once every 30 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose mine here. Again, it's gonna give me a warning that I could only change this every 30 days. Got it. And then you could go ahead and press that in your bio, and you could add your YouTube and your Instagram. In this case, I want to add my YouTube. So if you want to do that, you could click add to YouTube, and it's going to take you to your Google account where you got to sign into your YouTube, and same with Instagram. But in this case, the next thing I want to do is pick a profile picture. So you could tap that and take a photo or choose from your library. And then once you're done with your profile, you could just press save. So that's gonna set up your profile. And the next thing you wanna do is you just wanna create a short video. Your very first short video is a lot like Instagram. So all you gotta do is press the plus sign on the bottom and shoot a video by allowing it access to your camera and then uploading that video. It's that simple. So to shoot a video, you just have to hold the record icon right in the center of the screen, and as you can see on top, it's recording, and when it hits 15 seconds, you're gonna have a 15-second clip, but you could stop at any time and you could have a clip. I'm gonna press check mark here, and then it's gonna take you to this page where you could press next, and then you could post it. So a lot like Instagram as far as how you could create posts. So now if I just do a public post without a title, I could just press that and it says post now. And now if I go back to my profile, I could see that I posted my video right here, and I could view it just like that. So that's how you post a simple video and create your TikTok accounts. It's as simple as that. And just like if you've ever used Instagram, if you go to the homepage and you sync it with your contact or you start following people, you could see more and more. And you could go to the search on the bottom to discover more people, again, using hashtags to see trending items. So go ahead and explore with the tabs on the bottom to really discover what TikTok, formerly known as Musical.ly, could do for you. I hope you found this useful. Please give this a like and subscribe to the channel. I post easy to follow social media videos just like this one 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.